Добрый день, welcome to New Horizons Russia. I am Kylie. И сейчас мы собираемся на нашу ферму. И это мой новый друг. My Russian is bad, but basically we're going to the farm today, and this is my new friend.
I'm Alina.
Alina. She is 15, a student of our friend who is an English teacher, and today she will be joining us. Добро пожаловать в нашу ферму.
I'm so happy.
Welcome to our farm. It's a windy day.
They're so cute.
Here are the girls. Dad, you're gonna do cleanup?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. See you later. So now we're going to help Mom and Dad clean out the grain feeders and then fill the feeders with oats and barley. Хорошо. Well done. Good job. Thank you. Probably nobody hit the gate. My phone helps all. On the other side of that thing, I don't have time to run people. Touch it.
I don't see it. I'm sure she's putting in on the right one.
Что ты думаешь?
I like that. I like кормить. Как это будет по-английски? Give him food. I like give him food, and they just cute.
Yes, they are. But sometimes they can be very dumb. So, after giving the girls their grain and water, next is hay. This is probably the most physically, I don't know, it makes for a good exercise. So Mom already cleaned the feeders. Now she's adding hay, and we will help her. They are curious, but they also will come up and try to steal your gloves. I'm just holding on to mine. See, they're curious. Oh, they're more worried about feed now. But if you have a piece of bread, you could probably feed them that. and then you can hold it out and they will come and eat. There, now they're being friendly. You can really stab it. Yeah, there you go. Wow. Молодец. Good job.
I like it.
Good. I'm glad you enjoy. Look at him. He knows what's going on. Antsy, aren't ya? Both of them are excited. Yeah, I need to get him more water. Mix, mix, mix. Or as they'd say in the Philippines, halo halo.
See how much?
Yep. Not a lot, but not too little. Just right. Bon appetit, boys. And I'll get you your water. Okay, I got the boys water and I'm bringing it over. If you notice, we're doing all the chores ourselves right now because the neighbors, husband and wife that we had hired, they told us they're gonna take 3 days off for the husband's brother's funeral. But on the third day, Mom messaged them to make sure they were coming the next day to do chores. But turns out that the husband is sick or something, and so they quit for the foreseeable future. We don't know when they're coming back or if they're coming back. So for now, we get to come out and take care of our girls every day. And we love it. So they got their water, only a half bucket because they don't drink a lot and whatever's left is gonna freeze. So they got their oats, huh?
It doesn't freeze very much. It's amazingly warm in here.
Yes, very true.
I'm very happy with these greenhouses so far.
Thank you, Lord. Okay, boys. Stay happy and healthy. Okay, the boys are taken care of. Now we're gonna go over and see how Alina and Mom and Jed are doing. Having fun?
A farm girl.
Yeah, a little bit cold, but if you're moving around and doing work, then you don't feel cold. It's when you stop.
Sweaty.
Yeah.
It's not bad out here. Even the sheep, you see them running and jumping and playing.
Yes, just...
As bad as it may seem, they don't know. I mean, they just run and jump. They're not huddling cold or anything. They just keep going. When we go around the other side to give them their grain, when they go back for water. In fact, that's a video you need to get, is when they go for water, they'll be running and jumping.
Yes, I saw that, but I had to run over to turn off the generator. I wish I had got it, but I didn't. It was beautiful.
They'll be going back in a few minutes.
Yeah. When the girls decide to come over here and they're running and jumping and having fun, I've got to be set up for the cool shot, right? Oh well. There they go. So we left the farm, now we're in Vichiga, and we did not tell her we were coming to a sushi and pizza restaurant. They also have burgers, fries, basically all the junk food. And so,
Good food.
Okay, good food. As long as it's delicious, right?
Well, burgers, fries. Fries are just vegetables. Burgers is just meat and flour and stuff. So it's all good food.
That is kind of true. I don't know why it's called junk food. But, did you have fun at the farm? Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I'm so like your farm, and I like sheep. They're so cute.
So I hope you're hungry. And we're both shy and not good at picking out food. So what in the world?
I'm not shy.
Lucky you. So we picked out sushi. We got the same thing, so if it's bad, we will both suffer. We've been to this restaurant a couple times before. This is our first time in this kind of back area that feels separated and cozy. It's just really cool ambience. Okay, let's eat.
And take half of this, and I'll take half.
Well,
okay?
this one and
This is
that one's
yours.
the same, so I'm guessing that's
like
ours.
eggs on the top.
We got our black tea and
This is yours.
Need a tray?
I can't see what I'm doing because I'm looking through a camera.
Okay, you want a soy sauce?
Let's see.
Need a plate. Got one.
Yummy. Do you know how to eat with
Need another
chopsticks?
plate. There's one here.
I don't know.
Do you know how to eat with these? Знаешь? Да?
Yeah.
She's lucky. I am very bad with these.
It's that I can
Yeah, I've tried, but I'm very poor at it still, so. There's also a toothpick in here. I'm gonna set up the camera to watch the pro at this table who actually knows how to eat with chapstick. I did it. She taught me. Thank you.
no problem.
I didn't do that. You want some?
No.
You okay, Judd? Dad just got him to eat a good amount of that green stuff.
Horseradish.
Wasabi.
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 You alright? You gonna survive?
I did
I do
try
not like
though.
it. I do not like it.
I did try. It wasn't bad but until you got the spices in your nose.
It always does that.
Huh.
I tried this. Pull in there and keep it on. It just goes right into your nose. Maybe it absorbs up through or something, but it goes right into your sinuses right away.
Now we're going to drop her off at the bus station in Kanishma, and then from there she'll get a bus to go home.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yep. So I'm glad you enjoyed today.
Yeah, this day is so amazing, and thank you so much.
Mhm.
Okay.
Thank you for coming with. You're brave.
Yes, you're brave.
If I was in her position, my shyness, I couldn't.
I thought from the beginning that she's a little shy, but she's very brave.
So I'm glad
you
you.
understand me?
Yeah, thank you.
I'm glad
I'm
you
impressed.
enjoyed. and hopefully we can meet again soon.
Спасибо большое.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Hopefully again, so.
I'm happy to meet you.
Same. Paka. Safe travels. Thank you all for watching. I know today's video wasn't all that different than usual, but I really enjoyed Alina's company, seeing her reaction to the sheep. That was really nice, so. See you in the next one.